Welcome to Excel Steady. Today, I am going to show you 4 methods to combine text from different cells. First, the very traditional method. We will use ampersand. Let us key in equal, select the first cell. Then key in the ampersand sign. Select the second cell. Key in the ampersand sign again. Select the third cell. Key in the ampersand. And repeat the same for the next 2 cells. Hit enter, and now all the text is combined in a single cell. What if we would like a space between each word in the sentence? To do this, we will key in open inverted comma space, close inverted comma after each ampersand sign. This is what we have keyed in, now hit enter. Now I am going to show you the second method, the slightly traditional method. We are going to use the concatenate function in Excel to combine the text. Let's key in equal and then concatenate. Open bracket, select first cell. Comma. Select second cell. Comma. Do the same for the rest of the cell. Close off the bracket, hit enter. And how do we leave a space after each word? Similar to ampersand, we can key in open inverted comma space, close inverted comma after each comma in the formula. So for here, we can insert the open inverted comma, then space, close inverted comma. Do the same for the rest of the string value. Let's take a closer look at the function and the input we supplied. Between each cell input, we have inserted an open inverted comma, space, and close inverted comma. This will allow the function to insert a space between each word. Now let us hit enter. Now, I'm going to show you another slightly modern way you can join the text. The function that we are going to use is called concat. Concat function was introduced in Excel version 2016. It gives Excel user another option to the concatenate function. Concat allows the user the option to reference the cell range instead of referencing the cell one by one. For the parameter, let us key equal, concat, open bracket. For the parameter, instead of referencing the cell one by one, we will select a range, A10 to E10. So you can see here, we have supplied the input as a range. Now, close off the bracket and hit enter. So just like the question we have asked before, how do we give a space in between the words? The only choice we have here is to use the concat function as though it is a concatenate function. We will need to reference each cell one by one and also supply the open inverted comma, space, and close inverted comma just like before. This can be seen as a limitation of the concat function when we need to insert a space or any character in between the words. Now, let us key in the open inverted comma space, close inverted comma into the concat function, just like how we did for concatenate function. We can close off the bracket and then hit enter. Now, I'm going to show you another super modern way of joining text in Excel. That is, to use the TEXTJOIN function. TEXTJOIN function essentially solved the limitation of the concat function. It allows us to reference a cell range and also allow us to supply a delimiter to the parameter. In case you are wondering what is a delimiter is any character that we supplied into a text to separate each word in the text. A comma, a space, a dash are all example of a delimiter. We have used the space character as the delimiter for the concat and concatenate function. Without further wasting your time, let's try out the TEXTJOIN function. Key in equal, then TEXTJOIN. Open bracket. For the first parameter, we have to supply is the delimiter, in our case is the space character. Again, key in open inverted comma, space, close inverted comma, and then comma, we go to the next parameter. For the next parameter, we need to tell the function whether to ignore or include an empty space. In our case, we will just indicate true to ignore the empty space. Comma. Now we can reference the cell range. In this case is A13 to E13. Close off the bracket. And then hit enter. You can see that the text has been joined and there is also a space between each word. This is how awesome the TEXTJOIN function can be. One thing to note is that the TEXTJOIN function is only available in Excel version 2019 and Excel in Office 365. So for today, I have shared with you how you can join text using the ampersand sign, the concatenate, the concat and also TEXTJOIN functions. Hope this video has benefited you in one way or another. If you want your Excel skill to be also steady, do smash the subscribe and like button for more videos like this. See ya in next video.